If I gotta act hard, then the clout what I'm chasing. Shorty pull up, slay, Jason.
Okay, we'll put on the Osta Cruiser synthetic winch line. It's a must. Not a big fan of the cable stuff at all. Before I forget. Should have been recording that. That's exactly why I'm getting away from this stupid ass cable winch. You got a little nut, and you feed the cable in there. You wrap it around. You got a little locking nut. Undid the locking nut, and you gotta push the cable through. And unwind it and fucking hit it pretty good. Okay. So now the fun part. I did buy some heat shrink in case this end's hard to feed in there, but kind of see what happens. So I'm gonna put a little bit of heat shrink on the end, just to make it a little tighter. Gotta have the Coors original there, you know. Okay, so Jordan came over, helped me doing the wiring on the halos and shit, kind of licking everything up. We're gonna go riding tomorrow. It's got the scrambler all done up on cryptids now. So you got a Torx here, which is a real pain in the ass to get on the backside, but it's doable. You got two little gold screws there, one on top. Once you get those out, this just kind of pulls out like that, slant it forward, get a Phillips screwdriver, back these off a little bit just to get the wiring enough through. So now we got them all wired, got heat shrink on there. So now I'm gonna splice into the accessory positive negative that come on the Can-Am machines. And then, yeah, we'll get some RTV glue that comes with these lights, seal the shit out of them, and then put everything back together and see how they work. Got all the wiring in. Now we're just gonna start gluing up the halos. Okay, so we got the halos just drying. Just got the tape. Gonna leave it on overnight. Here's the halos.
I'm on my grind, no Tony.